This video is to give a complete demonstration of the Nippon SmartSense platform. We start on the login page of the platform where we have entered a demo credentials for this video. Clicking on Let's Go takes us to the overview page of the Nippon SmartSense platform. Some of the cards visible here are a map which shows the real-time location of all the devices added by the client. The account quota starts with the client, which contains SMS, email, device, contact, triggers, etc. other counts. We have a device activities card, which shows the active and inactive devices, and a recent activities card, which updates as per activity on the web page, on the platform, such as addition or deletion of triggers or scheduled reports, or updates on device activity. Next, we have the devices entity on the platform, which lists all the devices added by a client in a grid view as well as a list view. There is an option of sorting available, and as you can see on this demo, the devices are grouped into different sections such as star, others, and event device. Going into one particular device such as energy meter will give us a layout of the energy meter devices on the platform. Here we can see in several sections different sensors are shown such as harmonics, frequency, energy, apparent power, reactive power, power factor, we have current as well as voltage readings. The graph shown for any particular reading is updated in real time as well as the date and time picker option given on the platform allows us to see historical data as well. Now we will move on to the notifications entity on the platform, which is a ledger of all the activity that takes place on the platform. A data alert is generated because we had set an alert trigger on this device. We can see that trigger when a trigger is added, we get a success notification. When a trigger is deleted, we get a success notification. There are different several types of notifications such as alert, data alert, success, activity, etc. These type of notifications can also be filtered among them, which makes it easier for the user to view what is required for him or her. Now we will move on to the triggers entity where we can add four different types of triggers: action, alert, notification, and consumption alert triggers. Alert triggers have an operator of greater than, less than, or equal to in them where a operator is placed on the sensor reading of a particular device to alert the user. Action trigger allows us to automate device our automation devices. Notification schedules can be daily or weekly, and a consumption alert trigger will help a client know when he has over exceeded his consumption limit. Moving on to the contacts entity, a user can add his own contact as well as several required contacts onto the platform to be able to send reports to the contact easily and seamlessly. Moving on to the reports entity, we have several report options available on the platform. Of them, we are currently using three for the demo, which are device data summary, hourly report, and an all energy meter summary report. We also have monthly and yearly reports on the platform, which can be generated on the spot or can be scheduled for periodic intervals. All the generated reports are logged in the View Generated Reports tab on the platform. One of the most unique features of a platform would, of course, be the dashboards entity, where a client or a user can curate different dashboards and add different type of widgets to be able to analyze data smoothly. Here we have a demo dashboard which already has some widgets added on the platform. Clicking on the plus icon at the bottom right takes us to the widget catalog where we have several different types of widgets such as an automation switch data card, different types of column charts, different type of consumption per unit production charts. We have pie charts, a data table widgets. We also have several data card widgets as well as line chart widgets. An advanced widget on the platform would be a fast Fourier transform, which runs FFT on the voltage or current wave of the device. Using such several widgets on the platform, a client can integrate them into a curated dashboard for faster and efficient analysis. This covers all the entities on the Nippon SmartSense platform. Thank you.